Hello, today we will guide you through how to copy formulas in Google Sheets. To begin, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want to work with formulas. Make sure the spreadsheet is already loaded and visible on your screen so you can clearly see the cells you'll be using. First, click on a sample cell that already contains a formula. This is important because Google Sheets needs an existing formula to copy from. When you select the cell, you're telling Sheets which calculation you want to repeat in other cells. Next, move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. As you hover over that corner, your cursor should change into a small cross shape. This indicates that the fill handle is active. The fill handle is one of the quickest ways to copy formulas in Google Sheets, especially when you want to apply the same type of calculation to nearby rows or columns. Once you see the cross, click and drag downward or across the cells where you want the formula to be copied. Then release your mouse. Google Sheets will automatically fill the selected range with the formula, adjusting the cell references as needed. This is helpful when you're working with repeated calculations, such as totals, differences, or percentages across multiple rows of data. There's also another way to do this if you prefer more control. Start again by clicking the cell that contains the formula you want to reuse. After selecting it, look at the formula bar at the top of the sheet. This area displays the full formula inside the active cell. Copy the formula from the formula bar. This method is useful if you want to place the exact formula into another location manually, or if dragging isn't convenient for your layout. After copying, click the destination cell where you want the formula to go, and then paste it. When you paste the formula, Google Sheets will insert it into the new cell. Depending on where you paste it, the references may adjust automatically. If the result doesn't look right, double-check the reference cells to make sure the formula is pointing to the intended data. That's all it takes to copy formulas in Google Sheets. Using the drag and drop fill handle is great for speed, while copying from the formula bar is helpful when you want to paste more deliberately. With both methods, you can save time and keep your spreadsheet calculations consistent and accurate.